Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. So today I am um going to show you guys how I just make my work table and my dresser. See, this table is a multifunctional table. So if you do not have a dresser like me, you have a table that's just lying around, girl, use that table and do something for yourself. So on this day I was just cleaning it because it's been long that I did this, so I was just cleaning, trying to you know organize this work table. So I'm just putting these clothes that I got from the market. I got these clothes from uh 500 1000 naira. So yeah, so that's where I just keep my skincare products, on that basket there. So I just kind of arrange them, my skincare products, my some of my jewelries, I keep them there. But basically most, this is just like skincare, skincare stuff. So this is where I keep them. It will be arranged now, but you see, when you come to my house, the next minute my daughter would just come and just scatter everywhere. So I get to do this like almost every time. And the next thing is my makeup brushes. So that can, it was repurposed. It was something we used, so I just repurposed it to store my makeup brushes. Those are my makeup lipstick, makeup and makeup stuff, eyeshadows and some other things. Ideally this are supposed to be inside my drawer, but girl, I do not have a drawer yet, so I'm making use of that. So here I have my books, my YouTube journal, and everything. When I want to write anything, I just just write it there. And that is where I keep my jewelries, my earrings, my rings, and yeah. And that's my edge control I use for my wigs, to lay my wigs, the edges, and when I had hairs. And this is just where I keep my daily jewelries, that I use on a daily basis. This is just one cute stuff I found somewhere around the house, and I just kept it there. I know I'm going to use it to do something sharp, but right now I don't know what I'm going to use it to do, but I just had to keep it there. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. That's basically how I just arrange my work table slash dresser. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do wait to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.